Hi there guys, Farron here, your go-to guy for all things crypto mining and passive income. In today's video I'm going to bring you guys a brand new free crypto node project where basically all you need to do is sign yourself up, install a Google Chrome extension, and from there you'll be then earning daily passive income. And like I say, compared to some of the similar projects that are just like this, let's say Grass Project as an example, where they started out early and they have had some absolute amazing returns for a lot of individuals. Those of you that are in the Discord and within the community have mentioned that you've earned between $100 to $1,000 just from that first airdrop from Grass. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be jumping in, showing you guys some of the other similar projects that are just like this, so you guys can get yourself involved and you can start to earn yourself daily and passive income. So let's go through, let's learn a little bit more about the project, and I'll show you guys how you can get yourself set up and so you can start to earn today. Nodepay, own the future of AI, contribute unused internet and earn real rewards. Now you can throw your email address in there to apply to start earning. But what is Nodepay? Nodepay is a platform for AI training and development. Our mission is to provide an ecosystem for users to own and access AI in real-time data intelligence. Download Nodepay and earn passive income by exchanging your bandwidth and data. So your internet and data are valuable resources in the AI economy. Nodepay transforms them into assets that you own. Increase your ownership in the network by contributing. So like I say guys, it's a very, very simple concept. All you really need to do is download a Google Chrome extension and then create yourself an account and go from there. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what you would need to do. So what you'd need to do is click on the install at the top, press on the add the extension, add that extension, and then give that a few moments, and that should then add to your Chrome. And then from there, what you're going to need to do is press on your open dashboard, and then by doing so, this will then link your account up so you can actually start to earn straight away from there. Now myself personally, I've only started to earn and set this up as you guys have just seen that live just there and then. I did make the account, I'd say maybe a month or 2 months prior to this, but I wanted to give the actual project some time to see how it was going to go and how it was going to perform. And I've actually received a fair few messages within Discord and over on Twitter from a fair bunch of you that are basically saying that you guys have started earning with this, and you would like me to do a video to showcase this to the rest of you that are actually watching it. And I also want to mention as well guys, for bandwidth sharing apps that are just like this, that do earn a steady passive income, please do check onto the channel. I'll leave a link for you guys down in the description. I do have a playlist full of all of the bandwidth sharing apps that I've actually showcased across the channel. And just so you're aware, all of these apps are free for you to get yourself involved and start earning daily with those. So I do find that quite an interesting point and worthwhile noting. So like I said guys, I'll be leaving the referral link for you guys down in the actual description. You can see that obviously, like I said, I've had this set up before. I've done some few little parts and pieces with it, but like I said, it is very, very interesting of a project. And like I said, if it goes anywhere near where Grass has done, we're going to be looking at something interesting. So the season 0 review has been concluded, so you can actually go over there, see exactly what's going on. I would recommend that when you do this, make sure that you take yourself over to the wallet connection, connect up your Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet, whichever wallet that you would prefer to use. Get that connected up, get yourself set up as soon as possible, just to make sure that you get yourself in for the chance to make sure that you get the good payout when it does get to the point of actual launching and actually being able to claim those rewards. But like I say guys, so far from what I'm seeing, it does seem very, very simple to get itself set up. They've got a few medals and things like that for you to go through and collect and claim. They've got a few little bit of missions and rewards of things that you can do to follow them over on Twitter and things like that to increase your points. But overall, the main thing that you really want to do is just get this installed, set up onto your system, your desktop, and then like I say, they do have a referral option on there, so make sure you go through and refer any friends and family that you may have that may be interested in setting this up for themselves. But like I say guys, very, very simple to do. The actual install and setup, as you saw, was very, very quick. You just download the Google extension and then make sure that you've already got yourself an account created, and from there you'll then be able to start earning. And like I say, you won't see any results maybe for the first day or two. It may take a few little bit of time for the actual data to start to collect and start to accumulate you some earning statistics, but from that point you should then be able to be good to go, and give it a few weeks, and I'll keep you guys updated as much as I can do going forward on when the launching and when the earning does happen. Like I say, you can jump into our Discord to keep yourself updated, or over on Instagram. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on what's happening. Just so you guys are aware on how you can get yourself set up and earning, I've already showed you how to set it up. It's just as simple as creating yourself an account with the link that I'll leave you guys down in the description, installing the Google Chrome Chrome extension, and then just following all the steps from within inside the dashboard. I'm sure you'll have plenty of time to go through and have a look exactly what you need to do. There is a document on the screen here, a Medium article from their Medium, and I'll be leaving all the links for you guys down in the description so you can go through and read all this information yourself. My goal here is normally just to show you guys any of the projects that I do feel that has a potential chance to actually have a kickback for us and actually have a daily passive income earning type of style. And like I say, guys, so far it's given me all the positive signs that it's going to do very, very well. It's showing very, very similar concepts in regards to how Grass Foundation actually went forward and how they went out. And as you can see, if we check over onto the dashboard, you can see with how the season review has done, you can see that pretty much it is working within the same lines as Grass with having epoch seasons. So like I say, you know, I didn't earn anything from the first, you know, season from a couple months ago when I actually created my account, because I, you know, wanted to make sure that everything was 100% kosher before setting anything up onto my system. But like I said, at this specific point, I do trust the app and I do feel like it is going to do pretty well for us going forward. Don't have any figures in mind at this specific time, but make sure to follow us over on Instagram and jump into our Discord to keep up to date with everybody, and I'll let you guys know exactly how much it will earn and what it will earn for myself when it does get to the point of paying out and being able to claim. And also, guys, make sure to let me know down in the comments any of the other projects that I may have missed off, many projects that I haven't seen yet that offering, you know, a free crypto node projects or anything like the extensions or bandwidth using sharing apps. I'm interested in all of those, and like I say, they're very, very simple to set up, so it's nice and easy for those of you that are new to crypto to get yourself involved. Any questions you guys may have, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Take a chance and jump over into our Discord. It's free to join and you can ask any questions in there, and I'm pretty active in there and I do answer the majority of questions that are asked within there. Right, guys, I'm going to leave this video as it is here today. Make sure to use the link down in the description to sign yourself up for this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.